President Joe Biden has announced executive action to protect undocumented spouses and children. The decision will provide legal status and protections to about 500,000 families. Right now, undocumented people who marry U.S. citizens have to request parole before they can apply to live in the U.S. legally. In some cases, they're required to leave the country and re-enter legally to be eligible for a green card. Under the new executive order, President Biden says a person must have lived in the U.S. for at least 10 years as of June 17th.
For vast generations have been renewed, revitalized, and refreshed by the talent, the skill, the hard work, the courage, and determination of immigrants coming to our country.
The announcement comes just 2 weeks after Mr. Biden took action to block migrants who cross the U.S.-Mexico border illegally from receiving asylum. Metro Atlanta immigrant advocates are working to educate their communities about changes to immigration policy.
11 Alive's Karis Belger is breaking down those changes and what this could mean for people here in Georgia.
As CEO of the Latin American Association, Santiago Marquez has worked to help Latinos in Georgia for years.
We get about 7,000 calls a month.
And that includes connecting people with the LAA's immigration attorneys and advocating for those who come to him for help.
Drive legally, they can't have insurance legally, they can't find, work legally. From a human perspective, we want to make sure that people are being treated like human beings.
A goal he says is especially important now after President Joe Biden announced a new plan that would allow undocumented spouses of American citizens to apply for permanent residency and eventually citizenship. To qualify, a person must have lived in the United States for at least 10 years and be married to an American citizen as of Monday, June 17th.
My understanding is about 12,000 people that will be impacted in Georgia.
According to the Migration Policy Institute, more than 330,000 undocumented individuals are living in Georgia, and 65% of this group have been in the country for more than 10 years. The announcement is a small step, says Marquez, but he hopes it will open up opportunities for others.
We obviously have a long way to go, but we believe that this is one step towards getting to where we want to get to, which is essentially making sure that people have a legal pathway to citizenship, those that deserve it.
Karis Belger, 11 Alive News.